My main area of research is the study of osteoarthritis. Joints are covered with cartilage, which are also lubricated, and over time this cartilage wears away. The wearing away of the cartilage and then the bone-on-bone rubbing is one of the main aspects of arthritis. The effect of this bone-on-bone rubbing will have several physical manifestations that physical anthropologists and clinical doctors can measure. In most clinical studies, what we find is they couple two of the three variables. So traits and body mass, traits and pain, or body mass and pain. But the combining the three, I think, is a result of my anthropological thought process of integrating the whole body. That it's not just about what we find on the bone, it's not just about what we ask the person regarding pain, and it's not just about the weight of the person, but it's how the three interact. You see something occurring in all populations, across cultures, across time periods, across lifestyles, then you can be pretty sure that something biological is going on. Osteoarthritis, for example, is found in all populations. So it's something more. When I'm doing skeletal research, I start from scratch. So it's literally hands-on bones looking for the traits. There's something really satisfying about picking up a bone and being able to diagnose whether this individual had arthritis or whether it had an infection or an injury, and trying to then tell that past person's story. In the Osteoarthritis Initiative database, there's over 4,000 individuals. There are other databases that have 20,000 individuals. So you're looking at very large sample sizes. But I think that combining the knowledge from the two types of data is really an essential tool for anthropologists looking at health. The overall trend is basically people have been getting heavier, and that should cause an increase in arthritis, yet their arthritis has a later onset, and in the prehistoric sample you have early onset arthritis. It's kind of like I went from wanting to answer a question about the past and then realizing that it has implications for today. I think that for everyday people, that anthropologists can help them understand their diseases by providing a context, both an evolutionary context and just a temporal context, saying, you know, we're not just interested in, you know, how many individuals had arthritis, but can we say anything about what these people's lives were like? When I teach or work with students, I always try to bring in my research. On top of that, I try to make it relevant to their lives. San Jose State University Anthropology Department and the Integrative Anthropology Lab is a great place to conduct integrative research. The lab itself is designed to help students and professors combine lecture with hands-on learning. The Integrative Anthropology Lab helps with this integrative approach to understanding osteoarthritis because it has broken down the boundaries of physical anthropology and cultural anthropology and archaeology. So what we basically have is a concept of asking questions rather than dividing it into the traditional fields. We all are studying people, and that's what unites anthropology, and I think that that's what we're really doing by answering questions on wellness and the other umbrella topics.